Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muneeza Manzoor, but I am consultant clinical psychologist, and I have started my career as a clinical psychologist back in 2004. So I'm serving in the field of clinical psychology for last 18 years. So today we are talking about the importance of mental health. Mental health is equally important as our physical health. When we talk about the mental health, it is as important part of our well-being, and this aspect determines how we are able to operate psychologically, emotionally, and socially among others. When psychological wellness is affected, it can cause negative behaviors that not only affect our personal health but can also compromise our relationship with others. According to National Institute of Mental Health, 1 in 5 adults now live with a moderate to severe mental health conditions. Mental health as a person is his or her emotional, psychological, and social well-being. And when we are in a state of good mental health, we have a general positive outlook, we accomplish our daily tasks, we can maintain relationships and engage in meaningful recreations. Some mental illnesses like depression, anxiety can cause such symptoms that are otherwise unexplained. And likewise, chronic physical illnesses sometimes cause or can contribute to mental health issues as well. So if we talk about the benefits of good mental health, so a stronger the one benefit that we get having the good mental health is a stronger ability to cope with life stresses. We as a human being on the daily basis faces different type of stresses. So if we have a good mental health condition, then we are able to cope with those life stresses, because sometimes those stresses whether internal or external are not in our control. So a good mental health supports us to cope with those life stresses. Then a good mental health contributes to a positive self-image. It is very important to have a positive self-image, because when we think about our own selves, or if our self-talk or internal dialogue is negative, or it converts our own image in our own view the negative, so it starts getting everything worse. So it can also contribute in healthier relationships. We in a good mental state, we are able to maintain healthy relationships, good relationships. Our communication improves, and it helps maintaining our relationship in a positive way. If we are in a good mental health condition, then obviously it improves our productivity. We can have a better productivity option, and our productivity increase with the positive thoughts, with the positive behaviors, and our positive feelings as well. So ultimately, when we work on all these aspects, our overall quality of life improves. So from now onward, it is important to think about focusing on our mental health as well as we consider our physical health. Thank you.